Hi guys, welcome to Salty Gotties. Today's sponsor of the video is no one because we're poor and we suck. Also, we're going to be toy reviewing Donald. I feel like I should microwave him now because I only got this thing for like $100. Okay, let's just microwave him now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's cut to it. Can we get cut to it yet? Excuse me, cameraman? I'm sorry, camera woman. Please, let's cut to it. What did I say? See, now this is serious. Guys, I have a confession to make. I'm currently coming out of the closet. Now I'm out of the closet. And I'm opening the microwave. And oh, I have to dig you out like a Viking. Come on. The true Viking way. This is seriously how I pee in the toilet, though. Oh, God. Dude, he's anticlimactic allergies. Y'all have a nice day.